Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And I've been shopping again, and this time I went to my local Dollar Tree store. Okay, let's get started. Now a week ago I went to the Dollar Tree store and they hardly had any of their Easter and spring items out. They had some. But this time when I went, they had a lot more out. They still had some shelves empty, but they did have more. So I saw these cute little towels. Now they're not the best quality towel, but if you want to make a quick gift or a quick little decoration for your kitchen, they are really nice. And I like to embellish my towels. I'll either use embroidery stitches on it, I'll maybe put little fringe at the bottom, or use rickrack or an applique. So this just has the flowers on it. I love the colors in it. This particular one has Happy Spring. I thought this one would really be cute. And there's enough room down here to do a really simple little border with something. And then this says Easter Wishes. Really pretty. I love the pastel prints. And then this one's really cute. It's got Easter eggs all over it. Now this little plastic case, it's got two sections to it. It's all taped together right now. And it's supposed to be for putting Easter eggs in it. But when I saw this, I saw template. So yes, you can still use it for Easter eggs, but you can always use it to make your own Easter bunny shape. So it was really a nice little find. I thought these little baskets were cute. They're an oval shape. They almost have an Easter egg shape to it. And what I thought would be fun would be to decorate these baskets, either making a fabric basket liner or gluing something along the edge. And you could keep little chocolate candy eggs in here. These are little miniature clothespins, and they have some twine that you could probably clip notes on or pictures, whatever you want to do with this. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I like the colors that were on it. And I thought, I bet I could add that to some project I'm working on. These are styrofoam wreath forms, and I was hoping that they would have larger ones, but they didn't. But I decided I'll get these because the price was right. What is it, $1.29 now? So I'm going to be making a spring wreath, and I'm also going to incorporate another little project tutorial that I've already put out. So I'm going to include that in this little wreath tutorial coming down the road. I thought this was so cute, a little gnome, patriotic theme, and with a little bell on there. And so I'm also working on a wreath for our Memorial Day, 4th of July season. I've been wanting to do it for quite some time, so I finally come up with an idea for one. And then I'm going to be putting this somewhere on that wreath. This is some foliage, and it's glittery. It's kind of an aqua color on it, and it's going to also be part of a spring wreath that I'm putting together. I thought these were just so pretty. I thought this was my best find, was this here, a really cute door decoration. I also saw it as a template form to use for maybe making a bunny that's larger than what I've done before. But it's got these pretty wooden beads painted blue up at the top. It's just a really cute design. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul as much as I did. Going to Dollar Tree will save you a lot of money. Now, is it the best quality? No, it isn't. But if it's something you're not going to use all that much or for very long, it's probably okay to use many of these. Sometimes the items that I've purchased, especially their flowers, I don't like to buy their flowers because they just don't seem to hold up. So I'll usually go to Walmart to buy the flowers. But I hope that I've inspired you to go in there and look at some of the things and see what fun things, projects you can create for yourself. Now, if you're interested in some of my spring decor projects, Easter projects, scroll down below your YouTube screen in the description section. So click, as you're scrolling down, look for the word more. Click on that word and that section will expand open and you will see the links appearing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.